Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make chicken noodle soup. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 8 cups of chicken broth. I'm using reduced sodium. 10 ounces of the wide egg noodles. 2 to 3 chicken breasts, and you want to shred it. Also 1 medium onion diced. 1 cup of carrots. 1 cup of celery. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, or you can use the dried ginger. Also 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, and also 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh parsley, chopped, or you can use the dried parsley. Now that's optional. Okay guys, you want to bring your pot to temperature. Then we're going to add in our 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And I'm also going to be adding my 1 tablespoon of butter. We're going to let that melt. And guys, this is over medium-low heat. So now I'm going to add in my onion, my carrots, and my celery. And I'm going to let that saute for 5 to 7 minutes. Okay guys, now we're going to add in our minced garlic and also our ginger. And we're going to let that saute for 1 to 2 minutes. As you can see, our veggies are softening up nicely. Okay guys, now we're going to add in our 8 cups of chicken broth. Okay guys, now all you want to do is give that a nice mix. Now we're going to add in our salt, our ground black pepper, our oregano, and our thyme. You want to turn your temperature up to high. We're going to go ahead and give that a nice mix. And we're going to wait for it to come to a boil. Okay guys, once it's boiling, we're going to add in our shredded chicken and also our wide egg noodles. And all you want to do is mix that well. And now you can lower your heat. Also guys, you want to add in your parsley if you're doing so. Remember, that's totally optional. Now I'm going to mix it up. Remember to lower your heat, and we're going to simmer it for about 15 to 20 minutes. And we're going to go ahead and put our lid on top. Okay guys, our soup is now done. Look at that. Came out beautiful. Okay guys, so here we have it. Our homemade chicken noodle soup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.